Today, I'll show you how the same technique creates different nail designs. Take a milky white gel color and apply to coats on the nail. Apply pink color in the center of the nail with a nail sponge. Apply top coat on the nail and cure for 60 seconds. Take the Aurora Chrome powder and apply it to the nail. Now you apply matte top coat on the nail and cure for 60 seconds. Before applying the nail decoration, apply first nail glue, where the nail decoration is going to be placed. When you are done with the nail decoration, cure the nail for 60 seconds, and finish the nail design by applying matte top coat on the nail. We will use the same technique, but the differences will be we use different colors. The difference we will make with this nail compared to the others is that I will add an ombre as a base, but use the same technique. Same technique, different results. Which one is your favorite?